Hey everyone, this is Battery Blade and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the EV J1772 Extension Cord for your EV charging solution. First thing, got pretty cool packaging, nice, durable, didn't get damaged in shipping, that's good. You can see that it's 21 feet, it's just up to 12 kilowatt, 50 amp cord, that's pretty good. Let's get this unboxed. And it comes with a nice carrying case, which that is good. I didn't know if it would have one, but it looks like you can easily keep it in your car. Nice and easy. Let's see. Great. So we got so far. Instruction manual. Just telling you how to connect it, and after the sale it comes with a 12-month warranty. That's pretty good. Alright, this handle looks very nice. It's got a nice grippy on there, like the button sticks out a lot, easy. It's got protection here in case you drop it. Pull the cap off. So yeah, overall very nice charging connector. Let's see the other side. Now this is the charging port where you can plug in your EV cord, and it will go into there, and then it will click in nicely, and then you can obviously once you're plugged in, this becomes your charging handle. You plug into your EV. Very simple. I like that it has a nice cap so you don't get dust and other stuff in it. You can keep it safe. Connection looks very nice and tight. I like that so far. Now I really gotta get all this plastic off. Now that I got everything unwrapped, I can get a closer look at my charging cable. It is a very nice thickness. It says it is 8-gauge wire. Alright, that's good. 8-gauge wire can indeed handle 50 amps and greater, so all good there. And then it's very thin, pliable, even in this cold Michigan weather. I don't think it's gonna freeze up too bad. You can pan to the outside. So overall the cables looks very nice. This charging handle is very good, very clicky. This end also looks very secure. I'm not worried about this coming off, even if you pull really hard. It locks in there nicely. Alright, I'm now outside. I'm in the garage, and I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to use the EV J1772 Extension Cord. So picture this. I've driven home. I need to charge my car, but our 2-car garage is filled, so I have no spot to park or charge, and our Tesla wall connector can only reach this far. What do? Well, luckily I have my EV extension cord, so it's no problem, and I just plug it into my Tesla wall connector. You can see I do already have my EV J1772 adapter on there, so that way it even fits, but boom. But any J1772 charger will work with this adapter. It doesn't have to be the EV one, but that's just the one I own. And then you can see I have my cable, lots and lots of cable. Well, I can go over here. So I got my J1772 EV Dance extension cord, plug my car in, and then we can begin charging, and it starts charging instantly. If I pull in, it's a winter day, I'm really low battery, I can plug in and charge even if there's no room in the garage. Or the other useful use for this, which I mentioned, I have an F-150 Lightning, is the F-150 Lightning can't really fit in the garage very well. So you can park outside with your F-150 Lightning if you have a small garage or anything like that, and charge your F-150 Lightning or other electric trucks that are too big for the garages straight using the extension cord. Your wall connectors might not reach, but with the extension cord you can. Some other uses that I think it would be great for is just keeping in your car for if you need to charge on an outlet, but the outlets are on the building, so it's too far away from your parking spot. You're always flexible that you can charge on an outlet anywhere you go, no matter what. And then, so picture this, you can easily close the garage door with your charging cable. It's thin enough, you can close the garage door no problem. So you could even just mount a little holster right here. Plenty of those, you can 3D print it and just keep this out here as an extra flexible charger, so that way whenever the garage is full you can plug in your EV or your electric truck, because again, many people have electric trucks and they cannot fit them in their garages. But now we're going to do the testing. It's IP66 rating, which means it should be good for any weather, no matter if it's snowing, raining, thunderstorming. It doesn't matter, this cord should be able to handle it. So we're already in pretty cold weather. I'm really freezing right now. So let's shoot freezing water at the charging cord and see if the extension cord can handle it.
Okay.
I'm just going to re-say that because I messed up. Alright, so the weather is so extreme outside right now. I'm freezing right now. But of course this is IP66 rated, which means it can handle any weather conditions, no matter how extreme. So let's try and, okay, whatever, I'll leave it for a second.
Okay.
So we are going to test its IP66 rating and its all-weather rating by shooting it with lots of hose water while charging. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but we'll try it out, because if it can withstand my test, it will withstand anything, and I'm confident you can keep this charging cord outside or in the freezing cold, any kind of weather. Let's go grab our hose. Alright, so we got our hose and our charging cord, and we're charging right now, so let's see if it's as waterproof as it says. Alright, I'm directly spraying water into it. It is freezing cold. Nothing's happening there. Alright, it's still charging. You can tell by the blinking light on my bolt. We're drenching this thing. Alright, let's see the charging cord itself. Get close up, closer. And now show the blinking light off my car right there. Yeah, it means we're still charging. Alright, let's unplug the cord and see if it still shows it as... See if it still shows. Alright, take a look inside there. Dry, very dry as a bone. No water got in there. Good solid connection on that side. Confident charging in the outdoor weather every day. Let's take a look over here. Look in this connection, maybe. Come over here in the light. Let's unplug. And also, by the way, look at the charger. We're still charging. Alright. And the inside here, very dry, no water. There's a little bit from when I unplugged it. I got a little bit of water, but the actual connections and stuff, nice and dry in there, no problem at all. And of course, when you're not charging and stuff, there's a little cap right here that you can use. Make sure that you don't get, to keep everything nice and dry. But overall, it's as waterproof and weather resistant as they say. The cable's nice and thin, should have no problem in the Michigan weather, cold, anything like that. It's pretty good. Alright, so now we have our two other EVs in the garage right now, but we want to charge our truck. So we could shuffle around all the cars and try to squeeze the truck into the garage, which is a really tight pit, but that'd be a lot of work. That's why this extension cord saves your time by just being able to grab your extension cord, plug it into our charger, which, by the way, got our EV Dance adapter on our Tesla cord, but it can be any J1772 adapter works just fine. Plug it in. Boom! Our cable length is doubled. We got our 21-foot extension cable. So yeah, you can see, look how far away we are from the wall connectors. Very far. All the way over here, but we're able to plug in the truck, you know, without moving around all our cars. Plug her in, even after it's been sitting out in the cold. And the other day I sprayed it with a lot of water and let it froze, but we're still able to begin charging. See, has it started yet, or is our wall connector stopped? Because we have our wall connector set on a schedule. Nope, it's starting charging now. Alright, so we are charging at, I believe, the maximum speed. I'd have to check the Tesla app, but this truck, our wall connector can output 9.6 kilowatts, which is far below the maximum of this extension cord. This extension cord can handle up to 12 kilowatts or a 60 amp breaker, but definitely a very good use for a F-150 owner if your garage is too small, or it's a good use if you have more than 2 EVs and hate shuffling around your cars at night and you're low on battery. Just take the cord, plug her in, and you're all set to go. So this was my little demonstration of me actually using it, real world use. And as you can see, this was not planned, very dark out. If I actually planned this, I would have done it in the daytime. So this has been Battery Blade. Thanks for watching this little section. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. In all my videos, part of the test is I always do a drop test to make sure that the handle handles it well and won't break if you drop it from an everyday use. So about chest height. Let's hope this doesn't break. I'll be very sad if it does. And we're kind of giving it a disadvantage because it's cold, so the plastic will be more brittle. Well, let's see. And nice charging connector, just fine. No scratches. I think having that helps a lot. In conclusion, from my testing of this, it's a very well built charger, very waterproof, water sealed, weather resistant. I would have no problem keeping this outside every day, and I think it has many uses, especially if you have a larger EV that can't fit in your garage, or just any EV and you want to keep it in there, so that way you can charge your car if it's in a parking spot too far away from wall outlets and stuff. It's a good safety net to have, because most charging cords are only 18 feet and wall outlets can be a lot further. So if your EV is running out of power and you need to charge on the side of a building and can't reach, that would really suck not to have one of these. I can see that as a very important use for it, but for my uses today, as a way to charge my EV if both parking spots are taken, I see that as a very valid reason to get it. It's will have no problem handling anything outdoors. I think this will last a long time. Very good quality. I like all the caps it includes, so that way you can keep it even when it's not plugged in. You can see it performed extremely well on our water test, where we poured mountains of water, sprayed directly into it. We really tested its water rating, and it performed phenomenal. The cable is nice and thin, it's light enough, and it even comes with a carrying case, so I have no problem fitting it in my car. So overall, this cable is about as good as it comes. I don't see any reason why somebody should get it. Alright, if you're interested in getting one of these extension cords yourself, I'll have the link in my description, and I even got a special discount code for my audience, EVD Blade, for 25% off and a free adapter that matches your car model. So I think that's a really good deal if you guys want to take advantage of it. But you'll find that in my description and the discount code EVDBlade. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and tell me what you want me to review next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.